Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm so excited to show you a tutorial for one of the 4 folios from our June kit, which features our beautiful wildflowers theme. But before we dive in, I have some exciting news. This week I finally launched our subscriptions on Patreon. I decided to do this because I know many of you don't use Facebook or had some trouble setting up your subscriptions there. Now you can join our community on either platform. You can find the subscription link right down below in the pinned comment. To start this project, I printed everything out on 230 GSM photo paper, using a mix of both glossy and matte finishes to give it a really beautiful look and feel. Once you have everything printed and cut out, the first step is to start folding all of the bases along the score lines to prep our structure. After everything is folded, we are going to glue the bases to each other. I want to emphasize that this specific folio is meant to be printed on separate sheets and then glued together. It will not work if you try to print it double-sided, as it simply wasn't designed for that. So many of you actually requested this style because printing double-sided can be a real headache. Plus, I absolutely love the final result this way. It makes the folio feel incredibly sturdy and high quality. By this point, the main structure is done. For the final step, all we need to do is glue the pockets into place. And just like that, our folio is ready.
If you loved this project, please don't forget to like, follow, and share this video. Remember, this folio is waiting for you over on Facebook and for Level 2 and Level 4 members on Patreon as part of our June kit. This kit is only available until June 30th, so make sure to download yours before it's gone. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting!